I have a leakage in the refrigerator. You can see it up here on top of this. This is ice actually forming on top of that cheesecake right there. So, ice. And here, through the salt water. And more ice. And as you can see, the temperature settings, they're at normal, both of them. I'm just preparing this video so you could take care of this, because it's probably gonna ruin my produce. I haven't been able to put this inside where it's supposed to go, which is these things right here, because I'm afraid that if I do, it's gonna go bad and it's gonna be a waste of money for me. So yeah, you could just take care of this as soon as possible. Thank you.